The self-aligning ball bearing. 条心球轴承. Self-aligning ball bearing is the rolling bearing with balls as rolling elements and having a spherical raceway in the outer ring, enabling angular alignment within the raceway. Self-aligning ball bearing is particularly suitable for applications where deflection is caused by improper installation or shaft bending. This bearing generally adopts the stamped cage or the polyamide cage, in which the polyamide cage is indicated by the suffix code G in the bearing code. The common series of self-aligning ball bearings include Series 139, Series 130, Series 10, Series 12, Series 13, Series 22, Series 23, etc. as shown in the chart. Different series of bearings mainly have differences in size ratios in the selection and installation of self-aligning ball bearing. There are some points for attention. Firstly, under normal conditions of use, the Series 12 and Series 22 have a permissible inclination angle of 2.5, and the Series 13 and Series 23 have a permissible inclination angle of 3. When the bearing is used in a fully inclined condition, it must be ensured that there is sufficient clearance between the bearing and the surrounding parts. When the rotational speed increases, the noise of the inclined bearing tends to increase. Due to noise limitations, the actual inclination angle of the bearing may be much smaller than the maximum tilt angle. Secondly, bearings with tapered bore, it is difficult to accurately measure the bearing clearance after installation. So the installation of bearings with tapered bore requires a certain amount of experience and technology. Thirdly, the operating temperature of bearings with polyamide cage should be below 120 C. What else do you want to know? Welcome to discuss in the comment section.